How to use Transfermate. Follow my instructions. Transfermate is a fast and secure way to pay international tuition or student fees. It helps you avoid hidden bank charges and ensures your school gets the exact amount. Here's how to use it step by step. First, go to the Transfermate website or your university's payment portal. Select Transfermate as your payment option and enter the amount you need to pay. You'll then be asked to create an account or log in with your email and password. Next, fill in your student details, like your name, student ID, and university information. This makes sure the payment is matched correctly to your account. Double-check everything before moving forward. Now, choose your preferred payment method: bank transfer, debit card, or other local options available in your country. Transfermate will show you the exact exchange rate and total cost upfront. Confirm the details and submit your payment. After submitting, you'll get a confirmation email with a receipt and a tracking link. You can use this link anytime to check if your payment is received or processed. Most payments are completed within 2 to 5 business days. Finally, once the university receives your money, both Transfermate and your school will send you a confirmation. Keep this email for your records in case you need proof of payment later. And that's it. That's how to use Transfermate easily and securely. Thanks for watching.